Well, hello guys. Welcome back. Yeah, I'm here at a beautiful spot. Got my own little private getaway here. Got a nice picnic spot here. Got a fire pit, picnic table. Just right behind me here is there's a nice creek here. I can go jump in there, cool off on a hot day, which is going to be a nice hot day again today. Yeah, it's a beautiful spot. Got my Coleman stove set up here so I could stay here tonight. Probably stay here for the weekend. Yeah, do some cooking tonight. Already probably gonna be doing my making a coffee here pretty quick. Yeah, I just got all set up here, and I'm gonna take you guys down and show you the creek. Just a little hop, skip, and a jump down there to the creek. Yeah, so let's head on down. Look at this beautiful view down here, eh? Come on with me if you guys want to see what I see down here. All right, I'm gonna head down to the creek. Gonna take a walk down here and check it out. Well, isn't that a beautiful spot, guys? Can you hear that? Small little fishing hole, little swimming hole here. I don't know if you guys can hear me over the water, but I'll bring you guys along down here closer. You guys have a better look. Yeah, so hear that. Ah, whoa, that's cold. Woohoo! Oh, when she gets hot later on today, this afternoon, this is going to be nice. Oh, what a beautiful day. Can't beat this. You guys hear that water just flowing by? Yeah, this is going to be a nice weekend. Nice, relaxing weekend. Sitting here by the water, go for a dip. Cook some good food tonight. Later on, I'll bring you guys along for that one too. Once you're in the water for a bit, it's not too bad. Just the first initial, if I slip and fall in. Not very deep though. Whew. Morning, guys. Yeah, it's going to be another beautiful day here. Early morning here. A little bit chilly, but the sun's coming out. Should be warming up here by lunchtime. It's probably going to be about 31 degrees. Yeah, it looks like my water from my coffee is ready to go. I'll get up and pour that. Turn this off. Put that in there. Make my morning coffee. Instant coffee today. Decaf. It's what I've been drinking for the last couple of months. Went off of the regular coffee. Feeling a lot better without drinking that just regular coffee. Just going to decaf makes me feel a lot better. All right, we'll sit down, have our coffee. Probably take a walk down the creek here later on when it gets warm. It's supposed to be 31 degrees today, so it'll be nice to go in that water. It's cold. It's coming off a glacier, so it's a fairly cold water, but in the hot weather, hot sun, it's going to be refreshing. Anyways, guys, I'm going to sit here and enjoy my cup of coffee, and we'll catch you in a bit. Probably start some breakfast here in a bit. All right.